Here's a 2017 Audi S6. With its seductive lines and powerful performance, this S6 won't just command attention, it'll draw a crowd. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: twin-turbo V8 engine, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-shift manual transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather sport seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, voice-activated climate controls, Audi Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, and multi-zone climate control. Forbes reports the S6 jumps instantly to do your throttle foot bidding and never relents. The lightweight engine innards, typical of a many-cylindered motor, spin to the red line easily and enthusiastically in every lower gear. The car's high-tech all-wheel drive system also plays a part in the sense of superior forward thrust. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Audi Atlanta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. Contact Audi Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located at 5805 Peachtree Boulevard in Atlanta.